Hello everyone, here at Prince George Ford looking at a 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. It is a ruby red Super Crew with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. If you think you may be interested in this vehicle, feel free to stop by for a test drive or give us a phone call. Has keyless entry. Coming in through the driver's side door, you have your automatic locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as automatic lights. Cruise control and volume options on the steering wheel. A large touchscreen monitor where you can control your audio, climate, phone, and navigation. You can also control your audio and climate manually on the dash below. There are heated and air-conditioned seats, which are very nice for the winter and the hot summers we get. Moonroof on top, and a very deep center console. Is also a push start. Coming into the back seat, you also have automatic windows which are able to be child locked. A large bench seat which can be split 60-40. A couple outputs there. It is a long box with LED box lights, a factory installed backup camera, and a tow package. And like I said before, if you think you may be interested in this vehicle, feel free to stop by Prince George Ford for a test drive or give us a phone call. And when you do, just reference the stock number right here, KE20604.